Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Windows tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can increase and decrease the brightness of your screen, and also how you can turn on and schedule your night light. So night light is very much important if you work on your PC at night. It's going to help you prevent yourself from getting eye problems. So now let's get going. So mostly you just come here to do this. You adjust your screen brightness, and then let's move to settings. I want us to get full access to what we want to do here in this tutorial. So now let's move to settings here. Let's select settings and then let's move to display and power. You can see here you can adjust your brightness here as well. Let me lower it, and now you can turn it on and off here. So let me turn it on and let me move to the settings to schedule it. So you can see the strength here. Let me bring it down, else it's going to be a bit very dark when it's being turned on. So now you can schedule it here. Let me turn it off and let me schedule it. So you can select your hours here. So let's say from 9 p.m. it should turn on, and then from, let me do it 6 a.m. it should turn itself off. Or you can do it sunset and sunrise, that's 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. something like that, but I think this is okay. 9 p.m. let me even make it 8. Good. So now my night light is being turned on automatically, and I've set the time. So it's going to turn off. It's off until 8 p.m. After 8 p.m, 8:1 going, it's going to turn on. It's going to go off around 6 a.m. as well, 6:1 a.m. something like that. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.